Hello everyone, welcome back to App, and in this video I'm going to show you how NFC accesses cards work with smartphones. First of all, make sure your phone supports NFC, which is also known as NFC tag reader. So next, you will need to install an NFC reader app. You can install it from the App Store. Now you will need to open the app and place the NFC card near the back of your phone. The app may be able to read basic information stored on compatible NFC tags. Keep in mind that many building access cards and secure cards use encryption and cannot simply be copied to a smartphone. Always make sure you have permission before attempting to duplicate or use access credentials. And that's it. That's how NFC card scanning works on smartphones. And if this video helped you, follow us for more tips and tutorials.